I am super excited to use this camera. It's known to be one of the best vlogger cameras out there. Guys, check this out. Right boys, so I got my camera up here, a beautiful Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. So in this video I will just show you guys like how this camera is. Got this camera. Put the window down a bit for air. Just in the car. I am so excited to open this thing now. Well, let's just open it and let's test this out. Oh, before I open this, just check this out. That's my channel name, Monty on Cars. Yep. Of course, I was treated as a business customer and that was a good feeling. Yeah, okay, my new Canon. Let's keep this on the side. Moment of truth. Check this. Wow. Last few days that I've been reading so much about cameras, and this is one of the camera that I've come across, and I thought, you know what, why not get this camera and test it out. Here it is, and I'm gonna put the memory card in and I'm gonna show you the real footage. Here's the battery. Let's get this thing out. Let's start. Yep, so that's the time, that's the date, so it's 3:40. Let's fix this in. Next, we're in London. Yeah, and it's set. Oh yes, it's ready. Now let's just switch to this camera and just see how the quality is like. This is my first ever shot in this camera. So there it is. This is how the quality is like in this camera. I am super excited to use this camera, and this is how the quality looks like. It's known to be one of the best vlogger cameras out there. I saved up quite a lot and I bought it finally. I have to say that I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the camera. That's not bad, eh? How do I focus in my face? Yeah, that's my beautiful leather seats. Windy though. Anyways guys, let me know what you think of this quality in this camera. And back to my iPhone. Sadly the camera battery has just died, so stay tuned and you'll see more shots of me using this camera. Hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure to subscribe, comment and share. I see you for next time.